TSLA Stock Update 2020, TSLA Stock News 2020. There are good news about the Tesla stock. Soon enough, you will find it out. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So let's have a quick look at the Tesla stock price real quick. So the ticker symbol is TSLA stock. So as of yesterday, the 17th August 2020, the stock price is at $1,835. So the last time I made a video about the Tesla stock, it was on 6th August, so roughly 11 days ago. And at the time, the stock price was at $1,490. So let's do the math here real quick. So 1,836 divided by 1,490. So the stock performance for that 11 day is about 23%. So that's really high performance. And let's have a quick look at the market capitalization. As of right now, well, as of yesterday, the market capitalization is 342 billion US dollars. So amongst the car makers, it is the most valuable car maker in the world. And the PE ratio is 950. So, well, me personally, I've seen this kind of PE ratio for the first time, that high. But yeah, you can argue that it is way overvalued. But this kind of ratio also says that the investors believe in this company. That's why they are willing to pay a very high price for this stock. So yeah, I mean, it has potential with the stock split, the S&P 500 inclusion, very likely later on, the battery day, maybe even the compact car. So it does has the potential. Smash the like button for more. And Bank of America also upgrades the Tesla stock. So the price tag, they increased the price target from $800 to $1,750, which is kind of funny. Well, this article is like 4 days ago, roughly. And yeah, they went from neutral to underperform. And they're still kind of skeptical whether the Tesla stock, whether Tesla is able to keep being the dominant EV car maker. But yeah, currently there is no competitor to Tesla, so Tesla will do fine, in my opinion. And Morgan Stanley also upgrades their rating to the Tesla shares. They went to equal weight from underweight, and the Tesla stock price target from $1,050 to $1,360. So yeah, I mean, I don't know for which days they have this kind of price target, but yeah, another investment firm, it's called let's see, Webull. They also increased their price target from $1,800 to $1,900. And according to them, yeah, the demand in China rises. The sales in China is good, so that's why they also increased their price target. And my price target is $12,000. So before stock, of course, $12,000 one year later. So after stock split, it would be $2,400 that stock 1 year later. Any questions about the Tesla stock, feedbacks or comments, leave it in the video description below, subscribe, and see you next time.